Let's take a look at the Lake Monster details, bridge, and impulse crystals for the 1701-B, Excelsior Refit, whatever you want to call it. What is up, Plastic Addicts? In this case, I decided again to do the scoring. Not so much score and snap because this doesn't flex very well. A little bit, but took a lot of scoring to get that bridge dome out, so it might not be worth it. Maybe stick to the drilling method for this. So once you have the piece out, you still have to test fit and open it up and test fit, see how things look. You know, the fit isn't always great. It takes a few times to get it right. So open that back up again, just a little bit more cutting. It's going to turn. I went too wide on the sides. You'll see that in a bit. Test fit, not quite there yet. More cutting front to back versus side to side. There we go, much better, but we got these gaps I got to fill in, so my plan didn't work out the way I'd hoped. Crazy glue it in. Now, this is just making sure everything's lined up here, but what I did is I removed this raised ring around the bridge assembly. I'm going to have to replace it afterwards with some strip styrene, but I needed this so I could get a nice clean surface for filling and puttying. Now, we're on to the impulse crystals. And I'm just drilling these out. These are actually pretty easy to do. Just take your time, you know, use varying size drill bits, you know, bigger and bigger. You can get a good idea first, get them open as far as you want, take off any raised edges or burrs, test fit, and, you know, continue to hog out as much as is necessary to get that guy popped in there. And that looks pretty good right there. And then we're going to do the same with the other side. Then pop that in, and look at that. So these are going to be great parts to light, and they're really going to add to the model kit. And if you like this video, please like and share.